When it comes to Thai food, the debate between street food and restaurant dining is as spicy as the dishes themselves. Let's dive into the atmosphere and experience first. Street food stalls are vibrant and alive, with sizzling woks and the chatter of locals creating an electric ambience. You're not just eating, you're part of a bustling community. On the other hand, restaurants offer a more polished experience. You'll find elegant decor, attentive service, and a chance to sit back and relax. But sometimes, that polished vibe can feel a bit sterile, lacking the authenticity that street food brings. Now, let's talk flavor and authenticity. Street food is where the heart of Thai cuisine truly shines. You can taste the love and tradition in every bite, from a fragrant bowl of pad Thai to a spicy som tam. These dishes are often made by vendors who have perfected their recipes over decades, if not generations. In contrast, restaurant food can sometimes be a bit of a mixed bag. While many places strive for authenticity, some may tone down the flavors to cater to Western palates. You might find a delicious green curry, but does it pack the same punch as the one from a street vendor? Often the answer is no. Next up is price and value. Street food is undeniably budget-friendly. You can feast on a delicious meal for just a couple of dollars, leaving you with cash to spare for dessert or a refreshing drink. It's an incredible value for the experience and flavor you get. Restaurants, however, can be a bit pricier. While you're paying for the ambience and service, you might wonder if the extra dollars translate to a significantly better meal. Sometimes it's worth it, but other times, you might find yourself wishing you'd opted for that street-side stall instead. Hygiene and safety are crucial considerations. Street food has a reputation for being a bit risky, but many vendors maintain high standards. You can often see the food being prepared right in front of you, and the high turnover means ingredients are fresh. However, it's essential to choose busy stalls with a good reputation. Restaurants typically have stricter hygiene regulations, which can provide peace of mind. But remember, a clean kitchen doesn't always guarantee a great meal. So, where do we land in this culinary showdown? If you're after an authentic experience bursting with flavor, street food is hard to beat. It's a celebration of Thai culture and a chance to connect with the local community. However, if you're in the mood for a more relaxed atmosphere and a chance to indulge in a beautifully presented meal, a restaurant might be the way to go. Ultimately, the choice comes down to what you're looking for. Both street food and restaurant dining have their unique charms and offerings. Why not embrace both? Grab a delicious street-side snack and then treat yourself to a sit-down meal. The beauty of Thai cuisine is that there's something for everyone, no matter where you choose to enjoy it. So, get out there, explore, and savor every bite.